Julie Simmons here with Creative Integrity Marketing Group, and I'm here to talk to you about 7 hot tips to keep your brand sexy. It's Valentine's Day, and everybody's talking about spending time with your family and your children, sending out Valentines, making special gifts. But we're in marketing, and we're going to talk about your brand, and Valentine's would not be complete without the word sexy. So we're going to talk about your sexy brand. Number 1 to keeping your brand sexy is to love it. There's nothing less attractive to a brand than hating it. If you hate it, everyone else will too. Maybe there's some aspect of your brand identity that you don't love. It could be your logo or your tagline. And if it's not attracting your ideal client, then maybe it's time to take a look behind the scenes and see what's going on. Number 2 to keeping your brand sexy is to kiss it. Give it the old smackaroo. Keep it smart and simple. If it's not easy to recognize, then it's not doing its job. It should be as simple as a name tag that says, "Hello, my name is blank." It should also quickly showcase what your company stands for and what it's all about. Number 3 to keeping your brand sexy is to style it. If you have more than you or one person working on your team, then you need to have a style guide. It is essential that your brand is consistent across all communication channels. That means that you can create a document that showcases how and when to use your logo, what color codes that you need to be using, copy points, image samples, and formatting. This is especially true with a blog. Number 4 to keeping your brand sexy is to color it. Okay, I don't know what the trend is going on right now with this hair, but people with like black hair, they're trying to dye it like pink and purple and green all at the same time. And the truth of the matter is, it doesn't look good because there's too many colors going on the hair. And that same thing can happen with a logo. Not all colors play well together, especially if they're mixed improperly. So my advice is hire a graphic designer to make sure that your logo is beautifully colored. Number 5 to keeping your brand sexy is to voice it. Keep your message clear and keep it consistent, always. Number 6 to keep your brand sexy is to manage it. A well-managed brand should develop relationships and loyalty among your customers. If that's not happening, then it's not a well-managed brand. This means that it's not just your logo, it's not just your identity, it's the perception. And you can manage that way that people perceive your company, just like you can manage the way people perceive yourself. My last hot tip to keep your brand sexy is to flaunt it. When you got it, you gotta show it off, girl. That means that you show your brand across many different media channels that your customers are viewing or involved with. It could be on the internet, it could be downtown, it might be the newspaper, it could be direct mail. There's many, many options. So find out where your customers are hanging out and get there. Show them your brand and be top of mind with your customers. Well, that's all my tips for today. And I wish you a happy Valentine's Day. Mwah! Love your brand.